Yes, children. Have opened your tree top book, page 83.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have done till match each word with its meaning. Okay. So the meaning of bottom, the lowest part of something. Like if we say bottom, put this ball at the bottom of the bottle. तो बेस का है बॉटल का नीचे है ना. So lowest part of the bottle जो है वहां पे बॉल को ये नहीं जाना है. So bottom means the lowest part of something. Yes, Agrima?
The lowest part of something.
Yes. Proud. Actually, what do you mean by proud? Proud actually what happens in proud? We are happy. यूजुअली प्राउड को लेते हैं, इसको तो बहुत ज्यादा प्राउड है अपने वर्क पे, अपनी चीजों पे. बट व्हाट इज एक्चुअली व्हेन वी फील प्राउड? वी फील जब हमारे पास कोई चीज अच्छी होती है, या हमारे पास इफ वी हैव डन समथिंग नाइस, वी हैव डन समथिंग गुड, सो वी फील हैप्पी. सो दैट इज प्राउड. शेल यू कैन सी एनिमल्स में जो शेल होता है, टर्टल, इट इज हैविंग अ शेल. कैसा होता है शेल? हार्ड होता है ना. So shell is a hard part of something. Clear? Hard cover of an animal, hard part of something. Pounce. What do you mean by the word pounce? Pounce means to jump suddenly to catch someone, or when you try to jump and take that thing quickly within a short time. That is known as pouncing. स्क्रीम का मतलब क्या होता है? शाउट करना, बहुत ज्यादा देर तक चिल्लाना, जैसे बच्चे करते हैं. चिल्ड्रन यूजुअली स्क्रीम. यस आदित्रि, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? आदित्रि एंड अग्रिमा, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग बेटा?
Loud, long song.
अग्रिमा, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग?
Make a long sound.
Yes. Now last, let's listen to a passage on turtles and fill in the blanks. So turtles can swim or float in water. Swim in water. Okay. Good. Very good. Turtles move slowly or quickly. No, you don't have to write, beta. Turtles hide their dash inside their shells. Feet or heads? Heads. Yes. Turn your page. Come to page 84. 83 we have done. Now 84. Turtles come out of eggs. Yes, children. Turtles come out of eggs or water. Eggs. Yes. Yes, beta. Yes, Tanishta, what happened? Yes, some turtles run. Yes. Okay, now come to fourth one. Turtles come out of eggs. Turtles have lived on the earth for many years or a few years. Many, yes. Okay. Now this letter is in book only. You should know how to write. 84. The sea snail is writing a thank you card for the sea turtle. Help him complete the card. My dear. So you are writing the letter to the turtle. So you will mention my dear sea. Yes, my dear sea turtle. I want to thank you for. Why will he thank? For helping me from the shark. Okay. Then from now you shall be My friend. My friend always. Your best friend. Sea snail. Okay, beta. So this exercise we have done. Now we will do question answers, word meanings. Okay? First word is proud. What is the meaning of the word proud? Yes, to feel happy about something which you have done. Suddenly, what is the meaning of the word suddenly, Tanisha? Very quickly. Okay? Suddenly. Yes. Very good. Pounced. Pounced. Jumped. Screamed. Screamed. Shouted. Kicked. Hit hard. Yes. And last is bottom. Yes, the lowest part of something. Now you all will write the word meanings in your register. Everyone write the word meanings in your register. Meaning of proud, suddenly, pounced. Yes, everyone write the meaning of word proud.
To feel happy about something you have done.
Yes, very good, Abhiraj. To feel happy about something you have done. Write in your register. Everyone, put date and write. Yes, Abgrima?
मैम जैसे बुक में लिखा है वैसे ही हम लोगों को करना है.
No, we have done in copy now.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to do from your copy. Okay? First word is proud. Put today's date and heading word meanings. Write the word and its meaning. Draw a line in the center.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanishka.
ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, beta, go.
कितना ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, सिर्फ आंसर लिखने हैं. आंसर भी राइट.
Yes, you can write answers also. No problem. Proud. The first word is proud. I am asking from your copy only. You can open your classroom copies. First word is proud. What is the meaning of the word proud?
To feel happy about to feel happy about something you have done.
Yes, to feel happy about something you have done. The meaning of proud is to feel happy about something you have done.
मैं कॉपी खोल लिया है.
Yes, start writing. Put today's date, name of the lesson, and write the answers. Number 1, word is proud. Meaning, what is the meaning of proud? Then write the meaning also. Done the meaning of word proud, everyone? To feel happy.
मैम मैं
You have done? Very good.
About
Very nice. Good. Very good, Tanishta. Well
I
done.
am done. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I am done.
Yes, Agrima, show me your work. What you have done? Amira has done. Yes, Amira, show me your work. Agrima, complete your work. Good, Amira, very good. Amira has also done all the word meanings. Very good. Children, they're very easy. You can learn them. Yes, now who has done? Naman. Yes, Naman. Show me your work, beta. Very nice. Good. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Yes, Musa. Show me your work. Good. Very good. Okay, Musa. Keep the register down. Good. Kick means hit hard. Bottom, the lowest part of something. Yes. Anyone else has done?
Ma'am, मैं 6th point पे हूँ.
Okay, Sanvi. Agrim done? Agrim?
Ma'am, I have done.
Agrima has done. Wait.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have completed.
Happy about something. Wait.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good, Agrima. Something बेटा ऐसे small कर दीजिए. Make ऐसे small in something. Good. Now who is this? Let me see. Agrim.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, Sara. Wait, beta. Wait.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, Agrim. Very good. Yes, Agrima. Show me your work. Okay, beta. Make it. Then next is Sara. Sara, show me your work. Sara. Yes, beta.
Yes, see my work, ma'am.
Feel, spelling of feel is wrong. यू के बाद बेटा हैव नहीं लगाया आपने. हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ एन क्या लिखा आपने? हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ. बेटा द हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ एन एनिमल्स, ये क्या लिखा आपने? The which meaning you have written? Give this word meaning is not there बेटा. Shell नहीं बेटे, शेल से वो आपको बुक से नहीं कॉपी से करना था ना. इट विल कम फ्रॉम कॉपी ऑल्सो ना. करेक्टेड बेटा, डू इट सारा. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. हु एल्स हैज डन? ओके Sanvi, show me your work. Okay, very good. Keep the register down. Yes, Manvi. टू फील हैप्पी बेटा, आपने ये इनकम्प्लीट लिखा है. सडनली की मीनिंग वेरी क्विकली, स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग. हाउ हैव यू रिटन? You have to write the meaning in front of the word, okay? Yes, Manvi. Who is this? Yes, Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, it's very good. You have done correct. Now, who is there? Tanishtha. Yes, Tanishtha. Yes.
Your voice is coming in echo.
Yes, beta.
Your voice is coming in echo.
Okay, Nico. No problem.
Echo.
It's not in my hand, beta. Network issue can be there, na?
Ma'am, your voice is correct.
Okay. Now, next, who wants to show me? Sanvi has shown me. Tanishta has shown me. Sara also. Rishit, Jason, Izan, Devjot, Alizba, Aditri. Hurry up. Only answers. You have to write from your classroom copy the words which I had given you. Yes, Aditri, show me your work. Okay, Devjot. Yes, who is this? Yes. Yes, lunch will be better at 10:30 only. Aditri, done?
No, ma'am. I'm asking when it will be done. 30.
I'm not able to get what you are saying. Yes, Rishit. Okay. Okay, beta. Next. Aditri.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
No, ma'am. I'm doing good.
Okay, Alizba, Izan, Jason. Now those who have not done, they will complete this word meaning, and children learn it today. Okay, in the next period I will ask, next class. Now take out your social studies book, everyone. Keep the literature book inside.